Give me 9 minutes and I will show you how to get ahead of 99% of people. Not by working harder, not by being more talented, but by thinking differently. Most people are stuck in cycles they don't even realize they are in. They wake up, check their phones, scroll through other people's lives, react to notifications, and spend their entire day in response mode. And then they wonder why nothing changes. Here is the truth: the biggest gap between where you are and where you want to be in is not skill, it's awareness. The moment you become aware of how you are spending your time, your energy, and your attention, everything starts to shift. High performers don't just do more, they do what matters consistently. And that starts with understanding one simple principle: attention is your most valuable currency. Wherever your attention goes, your life follows. If you cannot control your attention for even short period of time, you can start building a life that most people only talk about. Now, let's talk about focus, because this is where 99% of people fall apart. The average person cannot sit down and focus on one task without distraction for more than a few minutes. Notifications, messages, random thoughts, they are all break momentum. But here is the secret: success is built in uninterrupted blocks of focus. Not hours of pretending to work, but real, deep concentration. Imagine what would happen if you gave just 90 minutes of pure focus every day to something that actually moves your life forward. No phone, no distractions, no multitasking. Just you and the work. Over time, that compounds into something very powerful. The people who are ahead are not necessarily smarter, they are just better at protecting their focus. They treat it like something valuable because it is for them. If you can train yourself to sit with discomfort, ignore distractions, and finish what you start, you automatically separate yourself from the majority. Another thing is that separates the top 1% is how they think about time. Most people think in terms of days or weeks. Successful people think in years and decades. They are willing to do things today that won't pay off immediately because they understand the long game. This mindset changes everything. Instead of chasing quick results, you start building systems. Instead of asking, "What can I get right now?" you ask, "What will this turn into if I keep going?" That shift alone puts you ahead. Because consistency over time beats intensity in short bursts. Anyone can be motivated for a few days. Very few people can stay disciplined for months and years. And that's where real results come from. If you can commit to something and stick with it longer than most people are willing to, you don't need to be extraordinary. You just need to be consistent. Let's get real about habits, because your life is essentially the sum of what you do daily. Not what you plan, not what you intend, but what you actually do. The problem is, most people rely on motivation, and motivation is unreliable. It becomes and goes. That's why habits matter. When something becomes a habit, you don't need to think about it. You just do it. The key is to start small and make it repeatable. Don't try to change your entire life overnight. That's where people fail. Instead, pick one habit that actually moves the needle and commit it to daily. It could be reading, exercising, learning a skill, or working on a project. The size of the habit is less important than the consistency. Over time, these small actions stack up, and before you realize it, you have built a momentum that's hard to stop now. That's how real changes happen, not in big dramatic momentum, but in small, consistent actions. Now, let's talk about something most people avoid: discomfort. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It's something feels easy all the time. You are probably not progressing. The reason most people stay stuck is because they avoid discomfort at all cost. They choose what's easy instead of what's necessary. But the people who get ahead lean into discomfort. They do things even when they don't feel like it. They take action even when it's inconvenient. And over time, they build a tolerance for challenges that others don't have. Think about it. Every skill you admire, every level of success you respect came from someone repeatedly doing things that were uncomfortable at first. If you can train yourself to act despite discomfort, you unlock a level of control that most people never reach. And that alone puts you ahead of 99% of people. Another powerful shift is taking full responsibility of your life. No excuses, no blaming circumstances, no waiting for the perfect moment. It's easy to point fingers at external factors: your environment, your past, your situation, blah blah blah. But the moment you take ownership, you take control. That doesn't mean everything is your fault. But it does mean everything is your responsibility. And that's empowering. Because if it's your responsibility, it's also within your ability to change. People who get ahead don't waste time complaining. They focus on solutions. They ask better questions. Instead of, why is this happening to me? They ask, what can I do about it? That mindset shift alone can completely change your trajectory. Because now, instead of being stuck, you are actively moving forward. Finally, understand this: you don't need more time, you need better decisions. Everyone has the same 24 hours. The difference is how those hours are used. If you spend even a small portion of your day intentionally, focused, disciplined, and aligned with your goals, you start creating an edge. And that edge compounds. Give yourself 9 minutes of real clarity every day. Reflect, plan, and decide what actually matters for you the most. Most people don't even do that, they just drift. But you don't have to. You can choose to be intentional. You can choose to focus. You can choose to take action, even when it's hard. And if you do that consistently, you won't just be slightly ahead. You will be operating on a completely different level than the majority. That's the difference. That's how you get ahead. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel, and I will meet you again. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.